Okay, ready?
Hey, sleepyhead. Hey, made you some brunch. That's what I'm talking about. Toast? Yeah, ate the last chicken leg when you were sleeping. That's my favorite part, you jerk. What, are you gonna start gagging because you didn't get what you want? I need a new brother. Big spider.
Is he choking for nothing?
Don't just let it get away. Kill it. With what? That's a black widow.
A newspaper could kill him? I didn't know that they were using a newspaper.
I heard the legs of the larger species taste a little bit like chicken.
Yeah, I'd say it even tastes a little better.
Ew.